The other element is applied is not just a term that we sort of throw in there to make it sound like a different program. The applied learning part of it is really integral. We're looking at you to be able to take the theoretical underpinnings of a subject that is presented in a textbook, that is on the PowerPoint presentations and other resources that are up there for you, and to apply them in the organisation that you work in, to be able to relate those concepts back in an applied way. So you'll find that the assessments are applied in what they're asking you to do. The exams, and there are exams that will be in the program, they're also of an applied nature. So it is truly, a different way of approaching it. If I was to compare the Bachelor of Applied Management to another program, from my own experiences, I would say it's very similar in some ways to doing an MBA. Where if you're an MBA, doing an MBA, you would go into the program as a manager within an organisation. You'd want to be drawing on this knowledge and how do I apply it to my industry. You'd be engaging with people who are managers in different industries and different organisations and getting their points of view. And those similarities exist between the Bachelor of Applied Management and obviously the MBA. So the other thing I would say is if you think, this is going to be an easy way of me to get my bachelor's degree because I'm going to just step into a third-year degree, I've got 12 months, it's going to be really simple. I will say to you that you are partially right. The other side of the thing is you're also expected at that moment to be delivering work at a third-year standard. You're expected to be delivering and complying with the university requirements of correct citations, report writing, making sure that you don't conduct plagiarism. So the expectations are of a third-year standard as well. So it will challenge you. And hopefully the challenge is going to be something that you're going to grab with both hands and you're going to use the resources available to be able to migrate your way through that challenge. And by the end of it, you will have grown in a whole range of different ways and probably see yourself in a different light, either professionally or academically.